Hi guys, me FC Ben. Well, I just went to Bandai. They're having a discount and I bought a lot of things. So let's unbox this. Get some popcorn because this is gonna be long. First up, we got this. I don't know if you can see. It's a Pokemon toy. It's a mega toy. It's supposed to wear it. It's only $2, so I just bought it. Because I like Pokemon. I play Pokemon Go every day. Not actually because I have PSLE. I got this. This is the Mega Ball. Wow. Look at this. I think it's good. Oh, it makes sounds. That's why it's only $2. It's kind of. It's not kind of. You can put it at display, but it's kind of annoying as shit. Can't be open. I don't think my hand could put there. Oh yeah, my hand can put there. So apparently you just put your hand here and you close it. Yeah, sorry for not uploading. That's why I'm gonna pay you back by doing this much unboxing in one video. Or maybe 2 videos. Because I may not have enough storage. Wait, what the hell? Quickly, my hand is stuck in this thing. Okay, I don't even know how to put this. Apparently, mega. Yeah, so now we are done. I need to think of how to open this. Finally, it's open. Yeah. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, second thing is this is the Kamen Rider toys. Yeah. This discount is only in Singapore. Okay, the camera toys are these guys. I bought 3 of them. These are very old. This is my childhood toys. No, actually, yeah, it's my childhood. Because I watched this when I'm a child. When I was very, very young. Yeah, I bought 3 of these, which is 4 of this. And this is not kind of 4 for $10. What? $10? So it's apparently $2.50 each. Yeah, so open the first one. Is the Kamen Rider Ryu. The guy who's dragon thing, the dragon guy. The card we get is this guy. This is the dark one, the bad guy. The old ones comes with the knives. The new one does not come with knife, and which sucks. Come with a sword or a knife if you want to see it. It looks very nice. I like the old style very much. The old style, so good. Then we got this toy. It's Kamen Rider 2 or 1, I don't know. It's very old, very old. Yeah, I like it. This looks like a chameleon. Yeah, it's EX. You can see here is Kamen Rider. It's the old one, you know, the bad guys, the old bad guys. Now we are going to this guy. It's very nice. I got the red one and the green one. Let's open it. Ugh, it's kind of hard to open. Wow, these things are very, very old. The dustiness. There is very dusty. Look at the package. Damn, the package damn dusty. The paper has turned into yellow. Sorry for the background sounds if you can hear it. Because I'm taking a video at my backyard. Yeah, so the figure is this guy. Wow. I like this silver thing. It looks very detailed. Golden. Okay, the card is this. Let's take out the box and put them on the floor. Space. Then we have the red one. Yeah, I'm gonna open this. This is EX. I think this is the same guy as this. I cannot find the yellow one. I'm kind of looking for the yellow one over here. the yellow one. I found the red one again. I cannot find the red one. So let's open this. And this does not come with swords or anything like that, which is not my favorite. Yeah. Let me open this, which is very hard to open. Whoa, damn hard. The toy we have is the red one. Very nice, very detailed. And the card is this. It's very dusty. Yeah, very dusty. Wait, let me. Oh yeah, maybe they got something. Yeah, sorry for blocking you. Okay, now let's go to the next one. The next one is One Piece. To all of you anime fans, this is the Ronald Zoro. I bought this for $20. Yeah, I was really excited to get this. But apparently you can see it. It does not come. I cannot find Luffy for somehow. I'm so happy to get this. Easy to collect and cool styles. So let's look in the Ronald Zoro costume. Damn costume. Just cut this open. I don't use knife. Knives are very dangerous, and kids don't play with scissors, as scissors are sharp. Yeah, scissors are really sharp and very dangerous. Don't play with them. And when you're holding a scissors, you hold it like this and not like this, because if you trip and fall, it will poke your eye or poke your head. Yeah. Let me open this. The stand is Ronald Zoro. I like this, kind of like the old style. Then we have the figure. Oh my god, damn nice. I like the style. Zoro is supposed to hold 3 knives, which is over here. You have the things. Put it down. Yeah, so it's like this kind of. I don't kind of like the shoes, because the shoes like so plastically, so fake. The feeling to me is kind of fake. Lots I'm later I will understand. I got this swords. The swords are red. You can kind of put it here. I don't know if the sword can be put here. I don't think so. So this guy holds the sword. If there are no enough space for my phone, I'm gonna do a part 2 very soon, very soon. That's what I want to say. And this, let's see if we can put. It's damn hard to put inside here. I also don't want to break this, as these are very nice. I don't think this. Yeah, so it's kind of like this. Let's just put this aside and go on to the next one. The next one is I play Pokemon Go every day. I know all my singing sucks because my friends keep saying it. But let's unbox this Pokemon toy. It's an SH figure art toy, which is $20. You can see the logo, very nice, very detailed, and wow. So let's open this. One size. Hi, Sender! Oh my god, I'm destroying the box and not opening this and destroying the box. The fail video. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Oh my god. Shit. god. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, the stands. Wow, so nice. I'm just gonna unbox this. Then I will slowly do one by one, showing about this. The ice of the Galactus ball. The Kamehameha. Oh no, another costume. Seriously? Another costume? Yeah. And another costume here. This is why I like to go to Bandai shops. They are cheap as hell when it's offering. The discount is going on to Tuesday. Yeah. It starts yesterday and it ends Tuesday. No, not Tuesday. Wait. Next Sunday, which is 2nd October. We got this Lucario toy. Sorry if I named the Pokemon name wrongly. It's Lucario, right? Yeah. It's an amazing figure. But as you could see here, this is a very wobbly, which sucks. The articulations are very good. Wow. The arms articulations. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is an Ash figure toy. I get this in Bandai. The tail, wobbly, very wobbly. Some parts are very hard to move and some are very wobbly, which is not very good. But you can pose like Kamehameha or some of moves like this. You can Kamehameha or something like that. I don't know how you change the face though. Wait, let me check the box. The box inside says Lucario, and some things. Oh. They still work. What the hell? Come on, Bandai. At least bring some direction how to put the faces. Yeah, my subscribers out there or my viewers, could you please teach me how to change the head? I know I may sound dumb. Yeah, it's so hard to do it. I'm gonna leave. Oh, finally, you kind of open this. Then there's, oh my god, well. So the faces, you can change the eye only. I'll take this. Oh, now I know. Does this look like a mask? Yeah. Or a mask. This looks really like a mask. Then you got the angry face. You can take the angry face out and put the what? Wait, aren't they the same faces? Angry face. You can put the angry face and the sleepy face. Yeah, so wear back the mask. Imagine if Pokemon Go, this will wearing a mask. Dun dun dun! I'm masking video. I'm masking. Oh my god! Well, imagine if this was a unmasking video. Yeah. This video is going to be very long, so but it's going to end soon. Yeah, this video is going to end soon. Let's play with this a bit. It looks like he's hovering the day. Dun 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 dun. I maybe use blue tack to stick this together. I don't know how he holds it. This is like two hands. Even though I use two hands, it's still good. Seriously. And the stands are this. This is the stand. Then I got my mother got 3 of these. She's a line collector for somehow. I'm not gonna open this because it's not mine. I don't want to get scolded. Yeah. And this is from Doraemon. This is the bully. This is Pang Fu in Chinese. He's the bully of Doraemon. He always bully people. Where's my scissors? Find it. Where is the costume? The costume's here. Cutting the costume very good. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do one-on-one. Not actually one-on-one. Yeah, stay tuned to more videos. This video is gonna end soon. Yeah. Let me open this. It's damn hard to open here. You know what? We're gonna do this in another video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.